Here is a wonderful 2015 Volvo V60. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take a moment to tour this practical and performance-minded Volvo V60. The iconic wagon that offers exceptional passenger protection, agile handling, and upscale comfort. Whether your preference is for the iconic gas-powered, twin-engine plug-in hybrid, or rugged cross-country model, this beautifully styled crossover lets you rediscover the joy of the open road. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: moonroof, Bluetooth connection, stability control, traction control, daytime running lights, luggage rack, MP3 player, cruise control, power windows, AM/FM stereo. Get the safety and quality you deserve in this exceptional V60. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.